And welcome to Westwood Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest sweet tea you've ever made. If you're tired, long day, don't feel like boiling the water, the tea and the sugar is already in here concentrated. All you do is pour it in the bottom of your pitcher and add cold water. It literally is that simple. And I don't know about you guys, but after a long day working on the farm, sometimes I need that glass of nice, cold, sweet iced tea at the end of the day. So here I am just adding my normal cold water. And this way too, it's ready to drink. You don't have to wait for it to cool down. If you want it hot, you can heat it up and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed.